Hello, Yogis. Welcome to Roop's Sunshine Yoga. There is a saying, health is not valued till sickness comes. Please take care of your health today, and I'm sure health will take care of you tomorrow. Let's begin. Hello, Yogis. Welcome to Roop's Sunshine Yoga. In this video, we will do together some asanas which will help us to keep our lungs strong and healthy. I'm not a doctor. If you face any difficulties, any problem, any symptoms, please consult your physician first. Now let's move on. I'll be helping you to learn a few basic asanas. Doing this on a regular basis, you will be able to keep your lungs fine. Let's start with gently closing your eyes. Sit in any comfortable position. Just close your eyes for a few seconds. Inhale and exhale. Long inhale and exhale. Open your eyes slowly. Let's do the first asana, which is called the cat and camel. Come to all four. Now what we will do, look up and inhale. Arch your back. Arch your back, look up and inhale. Stay there. Come down. With exhalation, your head down. One more time, inhale and look up. Exhalation, head down, out your back. One more time. Inhale, look up. With exhalation, come down. Good. Now let's come to the sitting posture. Any comfortable position. Next, hands in Namaskara Mudra. When you inhale, you will take your hands up. So, inhale, up, look up, stretch. With exhalation, hands to your heart. Let's do this for 3 times. Inhale, inhale, stay there, and exhale. One more time. Inhale, 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 and exhale. Come down. One more time. Inhale, 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 and exhale. Just relax. Next, lock your hands, palms facing the ceiling, up with inhalation. Stay there for a few counts. 1, normal inhale and exhalation. 2, 3, 4, 5. Come down. Relax. One more time. Interlock your fingers. Palms towards the ceiling. Inhale. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come down. Relax. Next, lie down on your chest, hands by the side, hands by the side. With the support of your hand, just come up slowly. Inhale. Stay there. Stay there. And exhale. Let's do this for 3 times. Inhale. Look up. Stay there. And exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. One more time. Inhale, look up. And exhale. Now, next, lock your hands at the back and slowly come out with inhalation. Inhale. Stay there. Exhale. Number 2, inhale. Exhale. Number 3, inhale. And exhale. Relax. Come up and come to child's pose. As you are in a relaxation position, concentrate on your breathing, the inhale and the exhale. Relax your whole body. Relax your mind. Relax your entire self. At any point in time, if you feel uncomfortable, you can slow down the process or you can stop. So for today, I wish you a good health and I hope you benefit from this video. Thank you.